Today it's a bit of a time machine going back to 2001. Someone actually left me notes from 2001, which was almost 17 years ago, and going to be doing a comparison as test the capacitors and then test the amp draw. The comparison is coming up next.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Someone was here in 2001. In June 2001, it was 105 degrees ambient temperature. We had 295 on the high side, 64 on the low side, and the amp draw of 12.4 amps. It's now 2018, February 2018, so yeah, 17 years later. I don't have my gauges with me and I'm not checking the gauges, but I can do an amp draw. That'll be pretty interesting. It's about 70 degrees right now. Let's see. I actually pulled the disconnect already. And I'm going to be testing this capacitor anyway, so I think I'll test the capacitor first and we'll see what we're at and then replace it if I need to. Wow, the contactor looks really tired. The wiring to the contactor looks pretty tired, but still live. Alright. Crouching down to look, and the machine is very hard on the feet, so using a bucket, thank you. Go a lot further, not so hard on the feet. Okay, here goes the microfarad reading. Should be a 35, 36, 37. It's good. And the 5 for the fan. .59. So the fan one's just a little weak. Change that out. Let's see, it looks like this is a different brand capacitor. 35. Not sure what brand, but it's still good. Should be within 1.75. It's close. Right. This one again, I decided to change it out. I could see a bit of a bulge on it, and 37 was just outside. Calculating the microfarads on it, a 40 microfarad would be plus or minus 5% would be 2. Subtracting for 5 for this would be subtract 0.25, so 1.75. So this one, 36.75 would still be good. It actually tested at 37, so it's just outside. But also you can see the bulge. So, and also this one was a Subco, so I'm changing it out to a Titan Pro 35. Okay, now the moment I've been waiting for, amp draw. And I'm going to clamp this around the red wire. Just one wire when you're doing the amp draw reading. Pushing the contactor and we'll see what we get. 10.4 on the initial. So we've actually dropped our amp draw down. Not bad for 17 years later. It's nice and cold. Done deal. Still surviving after all these years. Yeah. Alright. There's the wood. Capacitor. There's the metal. Alright. Okay. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
are here with me, I call on your name. In the midst of the praise, given in joy, your peace surrounds me as love overflows. Glory to Jesus, Savior of my soul. In the midst of the battle, the struggle, the war, as I look up to you, the victory is sure. Your promises stand despite fury and flame. The gates of hell will not prevail. Glory, power, majesty, honor. Salvation of my soul. To the night when I cannot see, your light burns bright deep within me. Your words, your instructions, they set me free. The gift of your presence eternally. Glory in Jesus.